if this is your first time, my name is Key, and I'm going to be doing a hair review today, as you've seen by the thumbnail. So this is going to be from Outre. It is going to be the perfect hairline, fully hand-tied 13x6 lace wig in the style Julianne, and I did get this in a DR2 / chocolate swirl. It does say that there is no plucking required, baby hairs, a elastic band, and it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the box. And this box right here is different. My first one was Keymee, I think it was, and it was actually a box just like this, but it was plastic. This right here is more like a, not plastic, it was cardboard, but it was more on the, this one is more sturdy, I guess I'm trying to say. So I haven't had a perfect hairline wig since then, and that was like a long time ago. So that's going to be the start card close. You can do a middle part, side part, and then I also have braids. It does say that this also has their transparent HD lace. And then on the inside, this has more instructions, and on the back side it has different colors that you can get this wig in, and care instructions and how to apply this wig. And the color is pretty. So this right here, this color is so freaking pretty. Oh, I love this color. So freaking pretty. And you are going to get dark roots throughout, so I do like that. This hair is already like feeling so freaking soft. It's a natural yaki color, and as you can see, it does come curl, and I am getting like a couple of strands, and that is about it. So it is shedding, it is not tangling so far. So on the inside, you are going to get 2 combs that are going to be on the top. You do get the elastic band, and then you do get a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. And then it does say that they have their HD lace. Let me see if you'll, and that is how it looks on my skin. It looks good. So let's go ahead and put this wig on. So this is gonna be the wig on. You do get baby hairs. It is pre-plucked. The pluck looks so freaking good. You do get baby hairs along the side, as well as it comes with sideburns. And on the side, I want to say you only get about a ½ inch on the sides of parting space, and then your parting is going to be in the middle. So that's what it looks like. The lace is a freaking pretty color. As you can see, it's more on a transparent light brown side. So it looks freaking good. Like, it doesn't even look like I need to apply any powder or foundation to it, but that's just me. I'm gonna have to do that because I like for it to be like a flawless blend. But this lace is like popping. And this wig, okay, this wig is very pretty. Very pretty. So let me see. You want to do, okay, give us body, honey. Oh, so look at that hairline, freaking flawless. I'm trying to see what part I want to do before I do anything. And parting through the hair is so freaking easy. Like, no tangling, no shedding, one here and there. Okay, look at these layers. Bomb. So where's the stock card at, baby? So yeah, so I want to give stock card tease. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on the lace. The lace looks good. It's just that with synthetic wigs, you cannot dye them like use actual bleach. So I like to use foundation because it kind of covers up the knots and it kind of minimizes them, make them look small. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and see how it looks. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Got to Be Glued freezing spray just to go ahead and tack this down. This wig, you do not have to put any Got to Be Glued down because the elastic band actually comes in handy, but I just wanted to do it just because. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take this part so that I can cut a slit into it like that. Then I'm gonna take this eyebrow razor comb just to go ahead and cut the lace. And then I'm gonna take some more got to be glue just to fix any spots that did come up. On the sides and on right here, I do leave the lace sometimes because my hair kind of sticks out, and sometimes I will leave the lace because I'm gonna put the baby hairs on top of it, and then other times I can pull the wig down after I've like worn it one time. I can pull it down and actually cover up the sides where my hair do stick out. So usually after my second time I will cut it off if the wig has kind of loosened up. So I do leave those on there, as well as on the sideburns, because I'm gonna put the hair on top of it. So I'm gonna dry this a little bit just on low cool. Okay, so that feels dry. I'm gonna go ahead and actually do my baby hairs. Usually I tie it down and then I wait, but I want to do it right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull those back out. Then I'm gonna be using my edge booster. I'm just gonna put baby hairs all over. I don't think I have no specific way how I want to do them because I don't really know how I want the hair to go. So I'm just gonna put them all over basically. See, and that's what I mean when I'm gonna cover up the hair. So over here, you see I still got lace, and then right here I just covered it up with the baby hairs. So that's what I usually do, like if my hair, if the wig doesn't come down too far. I think this one actually does, I just didn't put it down enough, but that's okay because we can cover that up. So right here, you see how if you put baby hairs down, you can see the hairline like really good. So I don't like a lot of baby hairs right here in this area, so I'm going to pluck these out so that I can get them as thin so that I can lay them down, but I want it to look like natural. So like I don't like all that swoops and stuff right there in the front, so I'm just gonna pluck those down because I want you to see the hairline, because when the baby hairs are pulled back, you really can't see the hairline as good as when they're pulled down. If you get what I'm saying, you know what I'm putting out. So let's go ahead and get into Miss Julianne. Like, this wig right here is everything. So the lace color on this wig is freaking bomb as far as the HD laces that have been coming out. The color is so on point. Like, I feel like it blends in easily. So if you are a beginner and you don't know about blending in your lace, this is going to be so easy for you to do. If you don't want to apply foundation, I don't think you really have to, because I feel like I didn't need to, but I did go ahead and apply foundation. it looks so freaking flawless. And I did not have to apply any concealer in the parting as well, because I did apply my foundation. I just applied foundation only on the bottom, and I used my same per usual, which is the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir color in Tawny. So I applied that on bottom, and that was it. I did glue this unit down using my Got to Be Glued freezing spray, and then I did use my edge booster just to go ahead and do the baby hairs. The baby hairs are already plucked for you, so you don't even have to pluck the baby hairs. You just basically have to trim them down if you want them trimmed down. If you like them long, you really don't have to touch them. The hairline is pluck for you, so you don't have to do that. I plucked the hairline just a little bit so that I can get it to look a little bit more better for me, because I don't like a lot of baby hairs as far as in the front, so I did have to kind of pluck it a little bit, because sometimes the hairline looks better behind the baby hairs because they're planning on you to utilize them. So if you had the baby hairs pulled back, it kind of looks like the hairline is not done. But if you pull those baby hairs out, you'll see like, okay, I do see where they said it's pre-plucked. So I had pulled those hairs out and I plucked them a little bit, so I really don't have a lot of baby hairs. I got it enough to kind of look like natural, because I like the front to look like that. So that is what I did. This unit is very easy. So the elastic band on this unit, it also like fits. It's not one of those adjustable ones, but it does stretch, and I feel like I'm using it, you know. And with the other wigs, I can't even use the elastic band, or it's pulling the wig back to where it does not go from ear to ear. So I like that about this wig. So if you don't want to glue this wig down, you don't necessarily have to glue this wig down if you don't want to. I feel like this is going to be like a very easy wig for you. The color is so freaking pretty. I like the highlights and lowlights of the wig. It looks very pretty and natural, and like there's no shine to this wig. So it is freaking gorgeous. Like there's nothing negative I can say about this wig. The only thing was it was shedding, but now that I've done run my hands through it and kind of styled it, the shedding is very light, so I don't get as much shedding as I was getting in the beginning. There's no tangling with this wig whatsoever. You can run your hands through it. The hair feels like freaking butter. It has that natural yucky texture, and it's very, very soft. So it feels like butter when you run your hands through it. And it's just a gorgeous unit, and the length on it is not too long. So I feel like even in the summertime, with this being a lot of hair, you can still kind of wear this wig. I have mine pulled in a ponytail, and I think it looks very pretty. It looks freaking natural, and that's all I can tell you. It looks natural. It looks bomb. This is a must-have wig. If you haven't already purchased this, I suggest you go get this unit, because this unit is going to sell out very fast. If it haven't already, I suggest you go get this unit and pick it out. Like, this unit is freaking bomb. There's like no cons whatsoever from me at all. So baby, if you haven't already got it, sis, I don't know what you're waiting on. You need to go order that wig right now before it gets sold out, and that's period. So if you have any questions or comments that I did not answer, please leave those down below. Make sure, if you haven't already, subscribed to my channel, because you should have did that when you first got on this video. You should have already been subscribed. But if you haven't, and you had to wait to see what you was gonna get, please subscribe, baby. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Can you tell I'm feeling myself or not? Because I'm talking way entirely too much. Like, baby, girl, humpty. Oh my god, I'm killing myself. Okay.